Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Today is a cold and rainy day, so I thought I would work on my Christmas tree. And today I am going to be decorating my 7-foot pre-lit slim tree. And I have this is 4-inch width ribbon with wire. And I also have some 1.5-inch ribbon with wire. So you're going to need some ribbon and your scissors. So give me just a second and we'll get started. Okay, you're going to want to take your ribbon and you're going to cut it into a 36-inch strip. And this is the 1.5-inch with wire. And then after you have it cut, you're just going to fold your ribbon back and forth, all the way to the end. And this ribbon came from Sam's Club. It doesn't have to be perfect. Then kind of just squeeze the sides a little bit. And then when you let it go, look how cool that is. So this is a little something different I am doing this year. And so now you're ready to add it to your Christmas tree. Okay, and so I am just going to find a branch and kind of wrap the end around it. And then I am just going to kind of tuck it in and just kind of let it cascade down my Christmas tree. Okay, same steps, a 36-inch strip, and just fold it, make it into the little zigzag crinkled pattern, and then just attach it at the top and let it cascade down your tree. And I just kind of tuck it in loosely, and then I'm gonna do the same steps all the way down my tree, and then I'll come back and show you how it looks. I haven't got my tree finished yet, but I wanted to show you with the 4-inch ribbon, I am doing the same steps. Now you do not have to cut your ribbon in 36 inches. You can make them as long as you want or as short as you want. I just wanted to show you how it looks with the 4-inch. I also wanted to mention one more thing, that when you're adding your ribbon, you can kind of, if you need to, make the fold in a different spot, just kind of crease your ribbon. Or if you need to tuck it in the tree, just kind of push it in and tuck your ribbon in. So there's no right way or wrong way, just do it however you like. Okay guys, this is how it looks with the 1.5-inch ribbon and also the 4-inch ribbon. Now this 4-inch ribbon is really a thicker, heavier weight ribbon, so you might want to cut it shorter than 36 inches, but this 1.5 is really sheer, so it works out great at 36 inches, or you could even leave it, make it longer strips, but just kind of tuck it in where you need to, or if you need to make another crinkle, just do it. Just have fun with it. And I have a question for you. Would you like to see me decorate it with ornaments, or is this it? Would you just like to see the ribbon? Let me know in the comments section if you would like to see more. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope y'all have a wonderful night.